Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, something I do on a daily basis and record it most of the time for documentation purposes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Before I continue, make sure you watch this video to the end as well. I'm going to do the disclaimer. That's it. I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner, so your own due diligence, your own research. And also understand that investing can be risky, and so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So what I'm going to do is share my screen. Let's go straight to the spreadsheet. I've got three main columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals. And let's find a down day. The green is when it's moved forward on the previous day, and red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So see, there's lots of green and red, green and red, green and red. So these can be used also to form some kind of analysis, which I use as well. But let's go to today's date. It's the 15th of December. And I get the figures from this page here. It's updated every 10 minutes, comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and then we get the figures here. So this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of especially selection of alternative coins or altcoins. This is the total. We've got the totals in US dollars here. This is in British pounds, and this is the percentage split. So the majority of the money is in the altcoin. So let's take this video here on 162,500 changed. So I said it updates every 10 minutes. So 163,202.44. So time at 163,000. What was it? 202.44. 202.44. Right. So what we got? Let's make sure that's correct. Yeah. So it's this. This is down further, so it's gone down another 3,730 since yesterday. And let's look at the next one. 210,000, 222.95. 210, 222.95. Okay. This one's got up a little bit because it went up just now. It was 46 something, but it's gone up. So, so this will be green. So, altcoin portfolio is down 3,730. Bitcoin is down 223. The total portfolio is down 3,507. So that's what the portfolio is today. Remember, this is a long-term thing. So ordinarily, I wouldn't actually be looking at this on a daily basis. Close look at the charts. Not what I want to look at. The market is, it's down dramatically since it reached the 3 trillion market cap back in the 8th of November. But that's when people were drawing money out. But there's still a lot. It hasn't gone down to where it was 19 months, 20 months ago. So it's just a correction before it go to the next high. These are just, it did a correction here before it went to the next level. It will do a correction here before it goes to the next level. Closer look at Bitcoin. As I said, it got into the Gaussian channel, and it's shown that it looks like it could go all the way down to this medium line and below. It's very possible for it to come down to into the early 40s at least. If it goes back down to this green line here, the medium line, it could go below 42,000. So we have to watch this here. This can happen, for two reasons. one, we've got a downward momentum here, 3 downward momentum candles in a row. It's showing a trend, and the trend is downwards. So the fourth candle is likely to, go dip below this. How far it goes, nobody knows. The trend is downwards, as we said yesterday. So far, the price is using this 200-day moving average as support. So if we can use it as support and not go below, not break support and use it as resistance, if we can continue using that support, it's got a chance of bouncing back up. But the direction it's going in signifies that there's likely to be a death cross in the middle of next month. This is just a projection, but just a few days, about a month from here, it looks like it's heading for a death cross. We're here at the moment, so we don't know. If the price reverses and goes back up, these will split apart, and these, they won't come together. Well, that's the direction it's heading at the moment, which means more downward action. The stochastic is heading downwards, so before it goes back up, it has to reach bottom before it goes back up and do a U-turn. And so it looks like there's a bit more bit more downward motion for it to do. Same as if you look at the RSI. The RSI, we had, some upward motion here, a higher high, another higher high, but we had a lower low and a higher low here, right? But this has broken it, because if this would have come down to here and then came up, then we would have had, a higher low. But that trend has been broken. So this upward trend that it was taking the path on has been broken. So it's way below this blue line, 76, 71, 68 line. So it's indeed in downward motion at the moment. And the money flow, well, it's neither here nor there really. Money was flowing out. There's been a slight change. Some money's flown back in, but this doesn't seem to really make much difference. Closer look at it, go into the day chart. Yeah, some money was flowing back into it, but it seems to have come to a little bit of a halt. And this particular indicator is still showing things are very bearish, with the red one on the top when we crossed over in the 16th of November, the red being on top and the green at the bottom, and widening here. That showed when it widened like a mouth, the mouth opened very wide. It means there was a very strong trend to the downside, and this yellow line up here signals that the trend is still quite strong. If this flattens out, then we can see that the trend for it going downwards is weakening, but the trend going downward is pretty strong. Even though this is pointing upward, this is just showing the strength of this red line. The red line signals downward motion and bear market, or shall I say bearish market. Not that we're in a bear market, but things are pointing downwards. So you can know how to position yourself if you know how to position yourself. There are different ways of doing that, but again, when the price goes down like this, it's a time to buy at discount. You've got to look at it this way. So if you dollar cost average in and buy, that means you're getting Bitcoin at a discount for now, and it may go down even further, down into the early 40s, and you get it at even more of a discount. There's one thing that's for sure, one thing that's for sure, if you look at it, like I said, over a longer period of time, Bitcoin is only going to go up. Okay, there will come a time when you will get new peaks like this that will make what's happening now look like down here. And that's when you'll kind of say, remember back in 2021 when Bitcoin was down here, now it's up here. So, you know, don't think that this time's going to last forever. So I know people are waiting for it to go up, and some people are waiting for it to go down, and they're going to make a ton of money when it goes down. There are people that made a ton of money when it went from the late 60s all the way down to the touching into the 40s. That's 36% drop. That's good news and bad news, depending on which side of the fence you're on. It's not all bad news, but the market's moving. The market's doing what it's going to do, and so probably we should continue to watch the trends, whether Bitcoin falls deep, you know, into the Gaussian channel, because it hasn't really fallen below this yet, and since it entered here, its first entrance here, it actually hasn't fallen below, and it usually does actually at one time fall below. So it may come down into the into the 30s if it falls below, but we shall see. This particular candle here is a 5-hour candle. All these are 5-hour candles. This candle here ends 1 day and 8 hours. So when it ends, it would be completely printed, and then we'll see where the next candle starts. Will it start below or will it start above? Based on this trend, it looks like it may start, more likely start below, but we have to watch it. If it starts below, then it could be the beginning of more downward motion. So 1 day and 8 hours, we shall know. Okay, so we'll keep you posted. All right, well, anyway, don't forget to visit our website at, well, our website's below the page. So you can click the link below the page, go to IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well, IamWealthyandRich.com, and then download your millionaire mindset and investment strategy now. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.